4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, what's up, my loves? Welcome back. It's your girl Cooking with Tammy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Asian-inspired recipe. We're going to be making a quick and easy, but most important, cost-affordable Asian pork noodle recipe, guys. As you can see, check out the layout. Our ingredients are going to consist of course, ramen noodles, along with finely chopped garlic. We have some cornstarch and water for that little slurry situation, along with jalapeños. However, you can swap the jalapeños out for red chilies, light brown sugar, finely diced onions, if you want to call it that. It's not so much finely diced, but it's diced. We also have some green onions, aka scallions, along with some extra jalapeños. I'm going to show you how to rock with that in a second. Reduced sodium soy sauce, beef broth, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, ginger paste, and we have some fried onions. Can't have pork noodles without pork ground, right? Yeah, this is about a pound of pork meat. However, you could always swap it out for, let's say, maybe some ground beef, veal, chicken, turkey, and last but not least, some oil. So with all of that being said, let's get this pot rocking. First thing we want to do is we want to add about a teaspoon of sesame oil to our beef broth. We're going to add, let's see, we have our hoisin sauce. We're going to add about two teaspoons, not tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. Just going to leave the spoon right there. We're going to add about a tablespoon and a half of garlic. Why do I keep saying garlic, guys? Ginger. Is garlic stuck on my mind or something? We're going to add some ginger along with our brown sugar. And we're just going to give that a good mix. Stir it on in really good. Make sure we break down those sugars. And we're also going to add our soy sauce. That's going to give it a nice rich dark color. Stir that in as well. Make sure everything is perfectly combined. When it comes to the jalapenos, the membrane is what's really going to create all of that heat, all right, and spice. So we want the flavors from the jalapeno, just like as if we're dealing with a Scotch bonnet pepper. But the only thing is we don't want all of the heat that this pepper is going to bring us. So we're going to carefully remove the membrane, as much of it as possible, along with the seeds. And that right there will dim down a lot of the heat intensity. We're going to start with introducing some oil to our skillet. We're going to add our meat to the pan. We're just going to break it up. Cook the meat until it's no longer pink. Obviously, we're just going to brown it up. I've been saying this for years. If you don't have a ground meat chopper, you got to definitely invest in one. It's like, what, $5, $6 at Walmart? It makes the job easy. Trust me, to me, it makes it so much easier in comparison to using the spatula. All right, that's perfect. Even though this is pork ground, it is a lean cut of pork. So we're going to add some more oil, kind of loosen things up just a bit. I'm using avocado oil, just in case you want to know, because I usually get that question, Tammy, what oil are you using? Now here's the thing. Even though I'm using avocado oil, it's less when it comes to saturated fats. All right, we don't need saturated fat. However, it is more caloric. It does contain more calories, so you want to use less of it if you do decide to use it, but it's not going to be as harmful as the other oils. Get those onions in there, stir that on in as well. And we're going to basically cook these onions down until they become nice and softened and translucent. And most importantly, fragrant. We want fragrance because fragrance equals what? Flavor. Our finely chopped garlic. Stir that on in as well. All right, this is perfect. We are going to allow our garlic to become nice and fragrant. Now I know everybody has a pack of these at home somewhere, either in the cupboard, pantry, refrigerator, wherever you decide to keep your noodles. But yeah, we're going to be rocking out with this today simply because Like I said, I want to bring to you more affordable, price efficient recipes, and this would definitely be the way to go. And also too, it's another way to, you know, step this up just a bit rather than just rocking out with the regular noodles with the packet. As you can see, our onions and garlic perfectly translucent, and the garlic is nice and fragrant. We are going to add our saucy mixture. Just going to simply combine the sauce with the meat. That's just basically it. Nothing difficult. Ooh, it smells so good. At this point in time, we're going to lower our flame and we're going to allow this to come to a slow simmer. It's been about 3 minutes so far. Now, I could honestly allow the sauce to reduce by half, which is going to take a little bit longer, or I could simply add our slurry, which is our cornstarch and water mixture, and it's going to happen like magic. It's going to thicken up our sauce. Perfect. All right, at this point in time, I want to add our jalapeños. I love the contrast of color that the jalapeños brought to this dish. Perfect. If you have those red chilies, oh man, even better. I went to the Asian market this morning for the hoisin sauce, which I thought I didn't have on hand. And when I went back in there to grab the meat at the last minute, the sauce was right in there looking at me. I'm like, I went outside literally for no reason. Everything, that was the only thing I was missing from this recipe. And like I said, because I know I made a recipe before that was Asian inspired. And yeah, the hoisin sauce was in the refrigerator. Go figure, right? Anyway, our noodles are done, strained, and we added some cold water to stop the cooking process, all right? Gonna add our ramen. And we are gonna combine the meat with the ramen, just like that. I smell the ginger. Woo! It's coming through in the hoisin sauce. My goodness. We're gonna turn the stovetop off at this point. Just get everything perfectly combined. Oh, this is gonna be good. My mouth is salivating. Only difference is I'm not gonna be able to taste it. What are you talking about? You're not gonna be able to taste it, Tammy? Why are you playing with us? Simply because I'm allergic to sesame. Yes, I am. I can't have sesame anything. Sesame seeds, oil, whatever. I am so allergic to it. But that's not gonna stop our flow, all right? That is not gonna stop this taste test from happening. We're gonna ask our cameraman, aka hubby, to come from behind the camera and taste this delicious pork noodle recipe. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. He's like, no, you're not. Seriously. Tell him it's okay. Slice up some green onions. We're just gonna add our green onions on top. Make it look real pretty. Real pretty. Remember these crunchy onions right here? Crunchy chili onion. And this is just fried chili oil. So we're not gonna rock with the fried chili oil. We're gonna do the Trader Joe's crunchy chili onion and see how that works. Now, I tried this before with something else. It wasn't really saying anything to me. I forgot what I tried it with, but it wasn't really popping. But I'm gonna try it with this. Well, not me, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna add it to this and hopefully it works out really good. Here on top, I think this is so beautiful. Get a little bit of that oil and just drizzle it on as well. And a little bit more crunchy onion on top. Now this is infused with red chili flakes, so it's gonna be spicy. All right, so add at your own discretion. All right, so drum roll please. Come on over.
All right. This is my favorite part of the show. All right,
get your little fork out of here. He's trying to mess. Okay. We still got to take pictures. It's good. You're not just saying that because you know I'm gonna beat you up later.
Mm-mm.
Oh, I'm just joking. I'm not gonna beat nobody up, but it's good.
As always.
Okay.
As
What flavors are we working with?
I can definitely taste the ginger.
All right, good.
Definitely, I can taste the what's the other sauce?
Hoisin sauce.
Hoisin sauce. Yes, definitely hoisin sauce.
Okay, that sauce was
As you
saucy.
can see, I'm still eating.
I could literally smell the hoisin sauce when I was cooking it. And the good thing about hoisin sauce, if you've never tried it, it has a nice aroma to it. It smells really good. It's complementary to all the other ingredients that you add.
The good thing about this is that I've never had ramen noodles in this, form. It's definitely a game changer. This is definitely good, y'all.
All right.
No cap.
Yay!
All right.
All right, guys. So you heard for yourself, right? And even though I threatened, and I'm just playing, but the main point is you heard for yourself. No cap. It is absolutely delicious. I'm a little bit sad because I wish I could get in there and really, really dive in and just taste it. But unfortunately, due to my allergy, it is what it is. But anyway, guys, as always, I'm your girl Cooking with Tammy. Don't forget to get your seasonings at cookingwithtammy.shop. Definitely give this recipe a try because, as I said before in the intro, cost affordable. Not to mention, if you have a family, you could literally 2 packs of noodles, a pound of meat. You can't go wrong. You could serve literally 4 people depending on the portion size. And as always, that's about it, guys. I would definitely catch you in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.